Hello everyone, welcome to day 16 of the series SQL50. Today's problem statement is average selling price. We have two SQL tables, prices and units sold. In the prices tables, we have product ID, start date, end date and price, where product ID start date, end date is the primary key, which is the combination of these columns with unique values. Each row of this table indicates the price of the product ID in that particular period between start and end date. For each product ID, there will be no overlapping periods. That means there will be no two intersecting periods for the same product ID. Next, we have units sold where we have product ID, purchase date, and units. This table may contain duplicate rows. Each row of this table indicates the date, units, and product ID of each product sold. Write a solution to find the average selling price for each product. Average price should be the number rounded to two decimal places. If a product does not have any sold units, its average selling price is assumed to be zero. This is important information. We'll see that later. Return the result table in any order. This is one example. So we have prices. So one particular product may have different price at different uh, time. So that's what we have to check. And unit sold has on which purchase date it was sold or purchased. So what we have to do is first for each product ID and for each purchase date, we must get the start date and end date to get its price. So we have to check whether this purchase date belongs to this range or this range. After that, in the right range, we will get what price it was sold at. After that, we will find the total price, and from total price, we will find the average price, and then we will do missing data handling. So we will look at the solution now. First step is finding the product purchase date, corresponding total price, and total units sold. Then finding average price per product, and then rounding and missing data handling. And that's exactly what we are doing. Select p.product ID. This part will come a little later. Note that we are keeping prices on the left side and units sold on the right side, and we are doing a left join because prices have all unique or distinct products. Units sold doesn't have all the products because some of the products may or may not have been sold at all. So for such cases, we will not have those products in this unit sold table. That's why we need to have prices table on the left and do a left join to make sure we are getting all the unique products. After that, we are doing few more things. First, we are matching the product ID from prices with the product ID of units sold. Of course, we have to do that to make sure that we are looking at the same product at the same time. We are also checking the purchase date, which has to be greater than equal to start date and less than equal to end date to make sure that it is falling inside that time duration. And after that, we are grouping by one. Grouping by one means grouping by the product. Now, what we are doing, first we are finding the total price. Total price we will find by multiplying the price with its units. After that, we are dividing it by total number of units. That's the definition given for average price here. If you check the description once more. So here is the description given. So it is the price into total number of units divided by price into total number of units divided by total number of units. So that's exactly what we are doing here. First, we are finding the price into total number of units divided by total number of units. Then we are also rounding it off to two decimal points, and we are doing colis with zero means this is for the cases where there was no unit sold. In such cases, we want to uh, report it as zero. So that's what we are doing here with the colis function, and zero means whenever we don't find um, any numerical value, we should put that as zero. So that's the solution. Grouping by one is for looking at one product at a time. So yeah.